Mamma mia ragazzi.
Vorrei sembrare per te un bambino e camminare con te per mano. Vorrei sedere dietro quel banco.
Hello, welcome guys. Hello. Today is one of my favorite days because today we will start to make some really nice cookies. You know, when I think about cookies, I really remind myself of when I was a child. One of the first things my grandmother teach me to make. Simple cookies at home we can have for our afternoon tea. We can have in this winter time with a really nice cup of hot chocolate with our families and with our children. Alright guys, let's see the ingredients. Super easy. 1 red yolk, 200 grams of butter, 300 grams of flour, 150 grams of sugar. Alright, so steps super easy. One by one we need to mix all our ingredients. Let's start taking these 200 grams of butter and we put in our bowl. Alright, and we start to melt it a little bit with our stick. Once we start to mix and melt our butter a little bit, we add 1 egg yolk. In this moment we're gonna add our sugar. And still keep mixing and mixing. Now it's time to add our flour. And mix and mix and mix until we're not gonna have a really nice dough. Then we take our dough, we put on a wood and we finish the work with our hands. We add just a pinch of salt. Eccolo qua, our dough is ready. Now it's time to let it rest 30-45 minutes in our refrigerator and then we can make our cookies. We wrap in this really nice paper. And here we are. Bye-bye. Here we are guys. Our dough after 30 minutes in the refrigerator is ready to be spread and to make our super delicious butter cookies. Alright, so we take out all this paper. We put some flour and we start to work our dough. We're gonna give to our dough the thickness we like. I like it a little bit thick. In the way when you're gonna bite it, you're gonna have that really nice crunch of different flavors. Now we cut in the shape we like. If you have a ring, you can make it round. We can make some stars, whatever you guys like. I'm gonna make it simple, rectangular. We can take back all the small parts that we cut. We can make the dough again and also use this part. Alright, so now last thing, 15 minutes in a preheated oven, 170 degrees, and our amazing, super delicious cookies is gonna be ready. Here you are. 15 minutes, save it. Bye-bye. Mamma mia, such an amazing smell. Look guys, look, come. Really nice, perfect golden colors for our butter cookies. And here we are guys, this is the best moment. Let's try our butter cookies, of course, with a really nice homemade hot chocolate. Check the recipe, how to make an amazing, perfect hot chocolate with Chef Paolo. Mamma mia ragazzi. The texture is amazing and the flavor explodes in your mouth. make it at home. Make a different shape. Buy with your children also different puppet shape, stars, moon, whatever you guys like, and make it super nice for this Christmas, for this winter time, for an amazing afternoon tea. And of course, guys, here, same place, your chef Paolo, for all along this amazing winter time, so many delicious, homemade, easy recipe together. See you later. Bye bye!